Welcome to CYFacts, where we don't do boring lists. We dig up the glitches in reality they forgot to hide. Stop. What if I told you there is an ant that turns itself into a bomb, a frog that dies every winter and comes back, and that you are 99.9% nothing? This is not the usual octopus has 3 hearts list. This is CYFacts, and today we are going into the vault. 10 things that sound like lies, but are sitting in peer-reviewed papers right now. An Olympic goal is scoring directly from a corner kick. No touch, no header. In 92 years of men's World Cups, it's happened exactly once. Marcos Call scored the only Olympic goal in FIFA World Cup history on the 3rd of June 1962 in Arica, Chile, against the Soviet Union. Colombia, who had been 4-1 down, drew the match for 4. He did it against Lev Yashin, the only goalkeeper ever to win a Ballon d'Or. 1 corner, 1 swing, history. Forget the Battle of Nuremberg in 2006. The record now belongs to Argentina versus Netherlands, Lusail, the 9th of December 2022. The most yellow cards issued in a FIFA World Cup match is 18 and occurred during the Argentina versus Netherlands match in Lusail, Qatar on the 9th of December 2022. The 2020 FIFA World Cup quarterfinal between Netherlands and Argentina at Lusail Stadium on the 9th of December 2022 featured a record 18 yellow cards. Number 10. Mars hit a gemstone we thought was Earth only. Scientists cracked open a Martian meteorite and found garnet inside, a dark red mineral we use on Earth to map tectonic crush zones, extreme heat, and deep water rock chemistry. The finding marks the first confirmed detection of garnet in a Martian sample and suggests the rock could serve as a geological record dating back billions of years. Number 9. The sky flashes that vanish in seconds. Astronomers recently traced a rare fast X-ray transient, a cosmic flash that appears and disappears in minutes, to an explosion resembling a gamma-ray burst. These aren't supernovae that linger for weeks. These are universe-level camera flashes, so brief we usually miss them. 1 second the sky is empty, next second it's screaming in X-rays, then gone. We are living under a ceiling that randomly flickers with explosions bigger than galaxies, and we only just learned how to catch them. Number 7. The ant that explodes on purpose. In Malaysian rainforests lives an ant that doesn't bite, it detonates when threatened. It contracts its abdomen so hard its body ruptures, spraying sticky, toxic goo in all directions. It's called autotysis, suicidal altruism. 1 ant becomes a living grenade to save the colony. No other insect weaponizes self-destruction quite like this. Evolution gave it a self-destruct button and it uses it proudly. Number 6. The lizard that cries blood. The horned lizard, when cornered by a coyote or dog, doesn't run. It builds pressure in its head, pops tiny vessels around its eyes, and shoots a stream of foul-tasting blood up to 1.5 meters. Predators get a mouthful of blood, get confused, and leave. It's not just gross. The blood contains chemicals that taste terrible to canids. A reptile with built-in pepper spray fired from its eyeballs. Number 5. The wolf that smells like a dispensary. The maned wolf of South America doesn't howl, it perfumes. Its urine contains pyrazines, the exact same compounds that give marijuana its skunky smell. Park rangers have literally called police for suspected weed farms, only to find a lanky red wolf marking territory. It's not drugs, it's just evolution trolling humans. Imagine getting arrested because a wolf peed nearby. Number 4. The animal longer than a blue whale that is not an animal. Meet the siphonophore. Off the coast of Australia, researchers found one stretching 45 meters, longer than any blue whale ever recorded. But it's not one creature. It's a colony of thousands of tiny clones, each doing a different job. Some sting, some digest, some swim, all linked like a living rope. It's a city pretending to be a snake, drifting in the dark. Number 3. Ghost sharks and see-through frogs. Evolution got weird in the deep. Ghost sharks have skeletons made entirely of cartilage, no bone at all, and they glide like aliens. And in Central American rainforests, there are glass frogs whose skin is so transparent you can watch their heartbeat, their liver filter, their eggs develop while they're alive. One animal erased its bones, another erased its skin. Both are. Number 2, you are part liquid, not machine. Inside your cells are not just solid gears. Researchers studying pea granules, tiny structures involved in reproduction, found they behave like liquids. They drip, fuse, and flow. Many proteins in your body can form such liquid droplets, creating temporary organs without membranes. Your biology isn't just hardware, it's also lava lamp physics. You are less robot, more living droplet sculpture. Number 1, you are almost completely nothing. Here is the most shocking fact in all of physics. The universe is 99.9% empty space, with atoms forged in ancient stellar explosions. Quantum mechanics and general relativity are incompatible, leaving dark matter and dark energy as 95% of the universe's unknowns. Your hand, your phone, your body. It's almost entirely vacuum held together by forces. The solid world is an illusion of fields. And the tiny bit that is stuff was cooked inside dying stars billions of years ago. You are haunted space, remembering it was once a sun. Which one broke you? The exploding ant, the wolf that smells like weed, or the fact you're mostly empty space pretending to be solid? Comment your number. I'm turning the top vote into a full deep dive, and if you want the list of sources so you can fact check me, they're pinned. This is CYFacts. We skip the obvious. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next rabbit hole where reality gets weirder.